27th, Tibetans and supporters in California protested Xi Jinping, China's new president, at the Obama-Xi summit, calling on President Xi Jinping to end China's occupation of Tibet. And the Tibetan supporters there also called on President Obama to take a stand for Tibet and also to team up with the world leaders at the G8 meeting happening on the 17th and 18th in Northern Ireland.
We are here to call on President Obama to take a stand on the human rights atrocities that are happening inside Tibet and to put a stop to China's oppressive rule on the Tibetans.
If you couldn't make it to the protests in California last week, there's still a way to reach out to your political leaders at the G8 summit in Northern Ireland on June 17th and 18th. For the last few years, political leaders across the world have been meeting with the Dalai Lama. In response, China has been threatening these countries to cut off bilateral trade. However, these threats are not true, it doesn't happen, and they're just China bullying countries. And so, in prep for this G8 summit, we are preparing a report and sending out a petition to prove that this is not true. So, if you could sign the petition and tell the leaders that it's okay to address the Tibet issue and that they shouldn't be scared by China.
So right now we are outside of the State Department to deliver petitions signed by thousands of people throughout the globe in order to urge President Obama to team up with world leaders to take a stand for Tibet at the G8 summit next week.
The petitions are still available. Please stand up and take action for Tibet.
We will have the link for the petition below this video. Thank you.
In other news, 2 weeks ago in our last video we talked about the Save Lhasa UNESCO campaign, but it turns out that UNESCO isn't taking our concerns seriously. In January, UNESCO investigated the situation in Lhasa and decided that it wasn't worth reporting on any further. But that clearly isn't true. Here in the office we just watched a really powerful video from France 24 called 7 Days in Tibet. It really affected me, and after watching it I'm not sure how UNESCO is overlooking this cultural genocide. It's really, really important that we bring the situation to UNESCO's attention. UNESCO is having a World Heritage meeting on Monday, so there are many ways that you can help bring this to their attention. Go to studentsforfreetibet.org to learn how.